Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your display name in CoinMarketCap application. If you want your profile to better reflect your identity or brand on CoinMarketCap, changing your display name is simple. Open the CoinMarketCap application on your device and log in. From the home page of CoinMarketCap, go to the top right corner and tap on your profile picture. Once you're inside your profile section, click on Settings. Under Settings, select Profile Settings. Now go to the top and tap on Display Name and erase your current display name and write down a new one. Once you are done typing it down, click on Change Display Name button. And you have successfully changed your display name in CoinMarketCap application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.